Hey, this is Taylor with Royal Gold, and we are getting ready to transplant our pepper seeds into their cells. So we've soaked the seeds overnight in water just so that the seeds can get rid of the exterior coating that naturally occurs. And what this does is make the seeds sprout consistently and helps with germination rates. So once we transplant these seeds into the cells, we'll cover it up to create a mini greenhouse. And at first we will want to make sure the vents are closed, and that will help the seeds germinate and get like a little bit of a humid environment. We don't want the seeds to get too hot or too cold, so monitor the temperature of your room and see what their germination rate or rated temperature is. That can be found on your seed packet generally over on the side, what temperatures and approximately days to germination will help. Thanks.